Does Sofi actually need proof of income? You've probably seen those Sofi ads, right? The ones promising dreamy financial freedom. It sounds great, but let's be real, everyone wants to know if it's legit. And one of the biggest questions is, does Sofi really need proof of income to give you that cash? I mean, who wants to dig through pay stubs and tax returns, right? It's like pulling teeth. But here's the deal, financial institutions, including Sofi, need a way to assess your ability to repay a loan. It's like when you ask your friend to borrow money, they might want to know if you can actually pay them back, right? So, does Sofi fit into this traditional lender mold, or is there a magical loophole? Let's dive into it. First off, Sofi offers a variety of financial products, from personal loans to student loan refinancing. The proof of income requirements can vary depending on which product you're after. For instance, a personal loan typically requires income verification to ensure you can handle the monthly payments. But don't worry, we'll break down each product separately. Now, let's talk about the different types of income proof Sofi might ask for. The classic options are pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. But hold your horses, because there might be other ways to prove your income, especially if you're self-employed or have a more complex financial situation. We'll also explore how Sofi uses this information. Is it just about qualifying for a loan, or do they have other motives? And what about those with less than perfect credit scores? Does proof of income become even more critical in those cases? But wait, there's more. We'll discuss strategies for gathering your income documentation efficiently. Because let's face it, nobody enjoys this process. We'll share tips on organizing your financial paperwork and making the whole thing less painful. And finally, we'll wrap up by discussing alternatives to Sofi if you're absolutely determined to avoid income verification. However, we'll be honest about the potential drawbacks of these alternatives. So, if you're considering Sofi or just curious about the world of personal finance, stick around. We're about to uncover the truth about proof of income and help you navigate the financial jungle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.